You. Anyway, sorry about that. Welcome to my channel. I just did a deep condition on my hair. Where's my product? Says I can come up.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl back again with another video. Today we have a special guest, Ebony. Hey, come on, Alycia, and my other friend, Alycia.
What am I? I'm not a special guest.
Ain't nobody coming to see you, Otis.
Alycia is also a special guest.
Hey, y'all.
Looking at her over there.
Oh.
So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing my braid out routine on me. So we just gonna jump straight into it.
So I'm first starting off with the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate leave-in on Ebony's hair, and her hair is a good bit of heat damage, but it's okay because in the back her curls honestly look like it's type 3, because I feel like she is 3B possibly, but I don't know, we'll see once she actually cuts some heat back. But her hair is also high porosity that I noticed, because the water left out of her hair so freaking fast. And then right here I was just using the My Organics twisting souffle, and then the last step was the coil sculpting custard. If I remember, I'll insert a clip of them, but I'm just basically making sure to get like everything, because for one, this girl don't even deep condition. She told me the last time she deep conditioned was months ago, sis. So I'm just really working in the product to make sure it stays in, because we just washed her hair from when it was straight, so it was extra dry, especially because this girl didn't deep condition. So I'm just sectioning off her hair, and since she is like, or has some heat damage, the key thing to do is make sure whenever you braiding it is to braid it very tight, or not very tight, but not loose at the root either, because then her roots would be like super puffy versus the rest is more like crimpy. So I just made sure to tug, you know, not too hard, but a little bit on her roots when I was braiding it. And that's basically what we did around her entire head. So I'll come back and y'all just can watch. So this side of Eb's hair is actually a little more puffier than her right side, which we didn't really know why. Maybe because her other side is more damaged than this side, I don't know, but that actually made a pretty huge difference in the overall result, but it's okay. But yeah, so since this side was a little more, I guess, textured than the other side, I did break up the sections a little smaller to make sure it actually got in her hair.
CC on the track, boy.
Where Debbie at?
Oh, she's at the house? Craig, can I use y'all's microwave right quick?
Yeah, what you gotta cook?
Since her ends were a little straighter, we just went in with some flexi rods to curl the ends up a little bit so that it'll look a little more uniform whenever we take them out. I did try to lay her edges down, but I don't know what kind of hair this girl got, but it just did not want to stay down at all. Like, we'll just have to try again whenever I take them out.
I just love my dog.
So once we put all the flexi rods in, she just wrapped her hair and got ready for bed. And then we just gonna take them out in the next clip that you'll see. So remember how I said her right side was a little more straighter than the other side? You could definitely see it here. And we probably should have used like perm rods on her ends because they didn't do right. So I think we just gonna rate this as a fail.
You gotta talk louder, sis.
Okay, so this is a ending result of a braid out on my hair. This is the first time I did a braid out. Well, that someone has done a braid out on my hair. And yeah, I don't know how I feel, but this is the ending result. And I'm not saying I don't like my stylist, I just don't like my hair. So I'll be back for more. Adios.